Most people will waste 2026 the same way they wasted 2025. The same excuses, the same sleep, the same scroll. But you clicked this video, which means somewhere inside you, something is still awake. This is for that part of you. Pay attention. Here's what nobody will tell you. January 1st is a trap. You feel the momentum, you write the goals, you buy the journal, and by day 11, statistically by day 11, you are already gone. Back to who you were. Because goals don't change people. Systems do. Pressure does. Identity does. You don't need another resolution. You need a reckoning. The 90-day challenge is not a detox. It is not a fitness plan. It is a psychological reconstruction. 90 days is the minimum time required for your nervous system to stop defaulting to comfort. 90 days is where identity shifts. You are not building habits. You are building a new operating system. And like any system upgrade, it will be painful. It will be disorienting. And most people will quit on day 14, day 30, and day 60. Those are the 3 kill zones. Remember that. So what does this challenge actually look like? 3 pillars. 1. Output before input. Before you consume anything, phone, news, conversation, you produce. Write, train, build. 2. One non-negotiable daily act. Something that costs you. Something uncomfortable. Chosen by you, never skipped. 3. Weekly ruthless audit. Every 7 days, you sit alone in silence and you ask yourself one question. Did I act like the person I said I was becoming? The answer will either sharpen you or destroy the excuses you were about to make. Stop. Before we go further, I need to tell you something they never put in the motivational videos. The 90-day challenge will not make you happier. Not at first. In fact, around day 45, most people who are doing it correctly report feeling more isolated, more serious, more different from the people around them. Your social circle will feel the shift before you do, and some of them, people you care about, will try to pull you back. Not out of cruelty, out of fear, because your discipline is a mirror, and they don't like what they see in it. This is the part nobody warns you about. Growth is not comfortable for the people watching it. By day 90, if you do not quit, something irreversible happens. You stop identifying as someone who is trying to change, and you start identifying as someone who already has. That is the switch. That is what 90 days buys you. Not a six-pack, not a business, an identity. And identity is the most powerful force in human psychology, because once you believe you are a certain kind of person, you will unconsciously protect that belief. You will make decisions that match it. You will reject what contradicts it. In 90 days, you are not building a habit. You are building a new self-image, and that self-image will run your life long after the challenge ends. So here is your question. Not, will you start the 90-day challenge? Anyone can start. The question is, who are you choosing to be on day 91? Because that person exists right now as a possibility. And every decision you make between now and then either moves you closer to that version of you or further away. There is no neutral. There is no pause. There are only the choices you make in the moments nobody is watching. That is where character is built. Not in the post, not in the announcement. In the 5 a.m., in the skipped excuse, in the quiet, private, ruthless consistency. Start today, not Monday, today. Day 1 begins the moment you decide it does. EliteAxis. We don't motivate you. We reconstruct you. Subscribe if you're serious, leave if you're not ready. Both are acceptable.